Hey, welcome to another mesh workflow in Unity. In this video we will focus on the APC model. The link for the model will be in the video description. So if we start inspecting the model, we can see very common issue. The entire model is single mesh. We can't rotate the turret or the wheels. So stay with me for a moment and I will show you how to quickly fix this and make the model usable without leaving Unity. So just toggle the mesh dot, lock the selection, unpack the prefab. Okay, and let's start working. So let's grab the selection tool and let's try to cut out the whole armor from the wheels. Okay. Now let's just press L a few times and grab the parts that we didn't select. Okay, that looks nice. Go mesh, mesh move. We don't have any leftovers, so just Ctrl Z. Go to separate, separate selected. Okay. So let's just finish separating the wheels. So let's just hide the whole armor. Select the wheels and let's go to top view. Oh, my bad. I think we missed the part over here. So let's quickly fix it. If you miss the parts like me, just go to Ctrl Z until you go to the stage that you can separate everything again and just fix what you missed. Yeah, that's it. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so now we can hide the armor. Armor. Hello. Okay. Now just go to top view. Rectangle selection. Make sure to turn off the back face culling or the just eye icon thing and just start selecting. Okay, so let's clean up the hierarchy a bit. And first let's set up the proper pivot on the wheels. So let's just grab all game objects of the wheels, lock this selection, and let's say we want to grab these parts of the wheels and go to origin and pivot center of the mass. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. So now we can clean up. Or maybe without numbers. So okay. Just to know what game objects to disable and enable. Okay, now we will separate the turret from the main body. So that should be okay. And let's just start selecting. You don't have to be perfect. Something like this. And now just press plus button a few times. Okay, and let's move the mesh. We could also grab this part, and now let's move the mesh. Okay, separate selected. So now we can hide the main body of the APC, and now we have to cut these two parts, the cannon and the cover of the cannon. So let's grab this guy, separate selected, and grab this guy. Okay. Now if we go to origin, go to pivot center of the mass for the cannon, and on this part we gotta change the view. So let's just press pivot to selection, and to do that we have to select anything, pivot to selection, and go to pivot set, and let's make sure that pivot is somewhere around here. So if we start rotating this object, it will be looking like naturally. So okay, now let's put this guy here and this guy here. So okay, now we have to fix the pivot of the turret. So let's say we grab this guy and go pivot to selection. Okay, looks fine. So okay, let's do nice pose with it. And other thing I want to show you is that we had one mesh and a lot of textures. So now we can actually make this model to look like it's supposed to. Something like this, okay, and wheels, base color, okay. yeah, so hope this video was helpful, and see you next time.